GeekVape will have you geeking out over the Alpha Tank, cause I sure am. First, let's talk about all it comes with. The Alpha Tank comes with a 4ml bubble glass and a pre-installed Meshmellow coil rated for 0.15 ohms, a spare 4ml bubble glass, yes, a spare bubble glass, another Meshmellow coil rated for 0.4 ohms, and a user manual. The GeekVape Alpha Tank has an awesome push-to-open spring-loaded top cap. Just press the button and watch it go. The top fill port is nice and big, which makes refilling the Alpha Tank a total cakewalk. The top cap also comes with an 810 wide-bore resin drip tip. Speaking of resin, fun fact, each tank has a resin design meant to match the GeekVape Nova mods, so if you own one of those works of art, now you can have a new tank to go with it. Lastly, the bottom of the tank has 3 fully adjustable airflow holes. What I really found to be really nice about the adjustable airflow is how surprisingly smooth it is. It glides very easily but has just enough resistance that it isn't going to spin about. Now, before we go, let's talk about these Meshmellow coils. There is the 0.15 ohm single mesh with a range of 60 watts to 110 watts and the 0.4 ohm dual mesh coil with a range of 40 watts to 80 watts, both made with high-grade Egyptian cotton. Both of these coils vape fantastically. It honestly all comes down to if you like a super warm vape with big clouds, the 0.15 ohm coil, or a nice cool vape with, well, big clouds, the 0.4 ohm coil. Otherwise, the flavor is delicious on each of these and I have zero complaints. If you can tell, I'm a huge fan of the GeekVape Alpha Tank and I'm pretty sure you will be too. Pick yours up at Vape Wild today before I end up taking them all home. No, seriously.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. Check out our other videos here and don't forget to subscribe.